guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chef Lois and Lifestyle. Today we'll be making something special, a strawberry cake. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. So we have the ingredients of a strawberry cake. This is Bluebird, or those who can afford a butter. And then there is eggs and baking powder, sugar, strawberry and vanilla and milk. This is the milk and unga. I'll use this to measure unga and this one to measure salt. So, and a spoon and a bowl. This one is for saving the unga and the baking powder to remove any dirt. So let's dig in. So you put Bluebird first. You can use an electric mixer. So I don't have an electric mixer, so I'll begin with this one and with the sugar. So just measure. I'll use a cooking stick, a moiko in English. So we mix until it becomes as smoother. So I'm doing this because of the sugar is somehow sticky. We put them aside for sake of cleanness. Then we mix. As we mix, we can add salt and vanilla essence. So just first mix so that it can bite together. Now when sasa inakaa sasa softer. So yes, then that as we add some salt. I'm using this measuring cup. So this is the salt. I'll just put a pinch, so just like that. It balances the ingredients, the salt. So that's the reason that's why I put salt. So we do like this. We mix them together. We can add. For me, I usually just do like this to check the taste. So. Then we will now start measuring the unga. The next step is measuring the flour and with the baking powder. So we are going to use this measuring cup, or maybe this one. So baking powder enhances the cake to enlarge. So we sieve. Then we mix them, or you can just do like this, like kienyeji one, but don't do it. So we mix. So we are going to do 3 times. As the first time we add the flour here and some milk, and the last step we don't put milk, so we will adjust. So just do like that. Then after you add flour, you put milk. So you can add milk or water, but I prefer milk because of taste. So you mix. Don't over mix because you're adding more flour. So this is step 2. So you add flour, so, and some milk. After stirring, this is how the dough should look like. So this is the last procedure. So we put bluebird or oil, it depends on you, or flour. Flour, it helps the cake not to stick. So we apply on the cake, on the baking tin. So I'm a left-handed, so don't worry. So just apply. You can use a pastry brush. My hands are clean, so that's the reason. So you do like this. Mimi ni mlifti. So these are around 1.5, and I'm also selling them, so that's it. And I use a spoon to remove the remaining one. So that we can avoid wastage. I'm doing like this so that to make it even. So I'll bake around 40 to 1 hour, 40 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how my gas will cook. I'm using a gas cooker. I don't have an electric one, but an electric one will take like 40 minutes, 30 minutes. So let's go.